I have an assignment for you. After you build your LinkedIn profile, send me a connection request. Did you know that not having a LinkedIn account today could cost you opportunities that you don't even know exist? In today's professional world, LinkedIn is your master resume, an online portfolio, and your career passport. You may be a student, a professional, freelancer, or a government official. You still need LinkedIn to grow in your profession. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create LinkedIn account step by step. If you watch this video till the end and follow my directions, you will have your LinkedIn account ready by the end of this video. Not only that, I will show you how to delete your account. My name is Jag, CEO of Kudoswal, an AI career platform. Let us start the demo now. Go to linkedin.com. Click on join now. You can see two options to sign up. One is providing your email and password, and the second one is signing up using your Google sign up. I suggest you use Google sign up. Not only that, I strongly suggest you create a brand new Gmail just for your professional purposes if you do not already have one. The reason is simple. We use our mail for all kinds of things, for coupons, for lucky draws, and we give anywhere and everywhere. Just like physical mail, we get a lot of junk email also. You don't want your professional correspondence getting lost in the sea of junk mail. On the first screen, enter your first name, that is your given name, and the last name, that is your surname, and click on continue. On the screen, you will find the location field, most likely already pre-filled with your current location. If it is not the right location or does not match the location where you like to work, so you can correct it. Depending upon this location, LinkedIn may suggest you the opportunities. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter your most recent job title. Enter that. When you enter, you'll be asked to enter the employment type, like is it full-time, is it part-time, or were you a freelancer or self-employed, whatever that is applicable, select that. Then enter the company name, then click on continue. If you are a student, click on I am a student, and you'll be presented with the screen to enter your education details, like when you join, when you are expected graduate, what is your college, what is your field of study or major. Enter all the information and click on continue. Next screen is verification screen. It is going to send a pin to your email, and then you'll be asked to verify that information. I am creating this account for demo purposes. At the end of the demo, I will delete this account. You are not supposed to have duplicate account on LinkedIn. On the next screen, you get a chance to answer the question, are you looking for a job? When you say yes, it is going to help you and also the recruiters. And recruiters can easily find you because that is one of the search criteria they look for. We already know that LinkedIn is a very powerful tool. You are on your way to build a beautiful and a powerful LinkedIn profile for yourself. But what is the connection missing here? Exactly. Connections that you see on the screen are the missing link here. How are these connections suggested to you by LinkedIn? Remember, you already told them your most recent job title and the company that you worked for. Or if you are a student, you told them which college you are attending and what is your major and when are you going to graduate. Using this information, LinkedIn is going to make the best guess and suggest connections to you. Just because they are suggesting these connections, you need not connect with them all. All your LinkedIn connections must be able to help you and enhance your profile. So it is very important from the beginning to build your LinkedIn profile with meaningful connections. You send connection requests. How are they going to recognize you? That is the next screen. I suggest that you upload your most recent picture in a professional attire and likable. Upload your picture and move to the next screen. Let us say you like a company either to do business with or to work for. So the next screen gives you an option to follow the companies that you like. Congratulations, you see your picture and a basic version of your profile. So this is the beginning of building your LinkedIn profile. So for the next step, you will need a resume. If you do not have a resume ready, you could use Kudoswal's AI resume builder to build your resume from scratch or enhance the existing one so that you can use it to build a powerful LinkedIn profile. You can build it for free and download it for free and upload it on LinkedIn. To upload, click on the pencil screen and you see the option to upload your resume, and that is the best way to build your LinkedIn profile easily. If you want to enter the information manually, you have an option there too. It will take a while for LinkedIn to parse your resume and provide you with the information for you to review. Review carefully, select the work experience, education, skills, any volunteering things that you did, or any recognitions, whatever is applicable, and make your LinkedIn profile very appealing. Do select that information and click on add to profile. Now your LinkedIn profile is ready, but it is missing very crucial information. That is your LinkedIn headline. LinkedIn headline is the most important thing that you need on your LinkedIn profile. In my previous video, I explained how a LinkedIn headline should be and how it should not be also. Watch those videos and build a headline that is going to help you and also help recruiters to find you. You built your LinkedIn profile. How do you want the world to find you? So LinkedIn creates a default URL for you, but I suggest that you update it if possible to make it simple and professional. For me, I use my first name and last name. As you can see, Jag Woodkur on the screen. Now you build the profile. Now you have public URL. You only selected few connections previously. How do you enhance your network? Just like the name says, my network button is there. Click on that, and LinkedIn does its best to recommend some connections for you. Select who are going to help you in your profession and send them connection requests. As I promised in the beginning, I am going to show you how to close your LinkedIn account. Just go to settings and select close account option. If you have more questions, we recorded an advanced version of Q&A in this video. Please watch it and fine tune your LinkedIn.